Kalomina. Welcome to May in Athens. It is suddenly changed today. All week it's been windy and rainy and ferries were canceled, but today is beautiful and sunny. It's still windy though, but it feels really nice. Because it is May Day, it is traditionally a day of strikes. Things are closed because it's a holiday. The ferries are off. The public transportation is only running from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. But this happens every year. So if you're coming in the spring, you need to be aware. And the sites are closed. And we finally have an official sign. You know, they replaced all the sticky notes that the entrance fee is now 30 euros. I think if it wasn't windy, it would feel really warm because I think it was like 21, 22 when I left the house. So, and the breeze isn't cold. It's like a nice cool temperature. And all the tourists that are out are in shorts mostly. It's funny to see. And there are a lot of tourists. I saw a cruise ship tour happening. Normally now I would go to eat somewhere for lunch, but in an effort to save money for some trips this year and hopefully next year, I'm trying to eat out less. It's Friday, so street market day here in Kokaki, and haven't been in a while because I've been gone and I need a few things, so we're gonna walk up there and see what we can find. Last time I needed almonds and the guy wasn't here, so hopefully he's here this week. And it's really nice. It's like 22 degrees, no wind, super sunny as you can see. So it's a kind of a change from the rest of the week. And even yesterday, even though it was sunny, it was very windy. In Kokaki, the street market moves from winter to summer. And I thought we would have moved already, but technically it's still spring, so they haven't moved yet to the summer location. I'm looking for the nut guy first. Last time I may not have gone down far enough, so we'll see. He had moved further down. I decided I was gonna just keep walking until it either ran out or I found him, and I found him. So now I know he's just moved further down. Okay. I did not get to film too much because it was kind of crowded. I kept running into people, so I didn't want to get yelled at. But I got apples, strawberries, and a few bananas, as well as the almonds and some beautiful flowers. I haven't had fresh flowers in a while. I am here at Leroy Merlin, which, if you guys have been watching for a while, this is where I got my Christmas decorations. I need to get pliers and like plant cutters because some of my plants need to be trimmed back. And then we'll see what else we get up to in here. I'm gonna have another errand to run after this as well. I was gonna try to film more in there, but it's super crowded because it's Saturday and also the weather is so nice. I'm sure everybody is out like doing gardening. People are buying dirt and stuff. So anyway, got what I needed. And now I need to go down to the bookstore where my book club is to buy the book. They got the book in kind of late, and then I was not able to come over here before today. So I have like 5 days to read the book. It's okay, it's supposed to be really short. And normally I walk down like the main avenue, but it is so loud over there. And because it's sunny, it's kind of warm in the sun, so I thought I would walk down the back street and see if it was better. And this is definitely better. And I don't know if you can hear it, but my shoe is making a lovely squeaking noise. Probably because it's like, what is this heat we're experiencing? It is currently 25 degrees Celsius, which is about 77 Fahrenheit. It feels much warmer than that. Summer is coming. If it was even, it almost feels like summer actually. It It is definitely one of those days that I wish I had a car and I would drive down to the nice beaches, southeast of here, and just hang out. Unfortunately, don't have a car, and I had to get these errands run. And tomorrow I have to work. Sometimes I have to work on Sundays, so that's okay. Summer is long here, and it's just beginning. I think sometimes with the amount of time I spend in Pangrati lately, I should just move here, but I just signed a new lease in my apartment, so that's not going to happen. And this is what we're reading. It's called The Hunchback, and I did read the synopsis online. It sounds amazing, so I'm excited. It is really small. And then we'll meet one more time before the summer starts, and then that'll be it. Happy Sunday, everybody. I was supposed to work today, but I think there was some miscommunication about the meeting. Ooh, what's my hair doing? And that didn't happen. So I've decided I'm not going to work the rest of the day then, because it's Sunday and I'd like to not do that. And I may break my own rule and go out for breakfast since I'm awake. But I wanted to say a little something about this book in case you guys saw it and earlier and decided that you were going to go take a look. It's explicit. It's good, but if you're not into that kind of thing, then I don't recommend it for you. If it doesn't bother you, it's very good. It's told from the perspective of a disabled person, and she actually wrote the book. So it's very interesting because it's interesting to see someone's world from that perspective. Even if you think you have thought about a lot of these things, they're just things that you don't think about. So, but it is explicit, and there are a lot of controversial things, so just be aware if you do decide to read it. It's nice out, and it's supposed to be even warmer today than it was yesterday. So it's a good thing I'm out a little bit earlier before it gets warm. I'm at Belray, and they've changed their menu a bit, but the yogurt looks really good, and I'm glad to have something different. And of course, the coffee is always excellent here. It is now May 23rd, and I know that I have missed several weeks of May, but I got really busy at work. And then if you've been watching my live stream or you saw my community post, you know I've been sick. I have a sinus infection, but I'm finally starting to feel better, and I need to run some errands that I've been desperate to run but haven't been able to get out of the house. So I'm down in Sigtagvin to do that today, and it is a massive change from when I was out here last, because I was out here probably in the beginning of May, and now the tourists are here. Like, there were some before, but now it's gotten really busy. All the hop-on, hop-off buses over here by the Parliament building are full, and I'm sure on the other side where they also pick up, they're also busy. So, and there aren't too many people watching the soldiers at this moment, but the changing isn't happening. It will soon, so I'm sure more people will show up. If you're wondering what this has been here since the anniversary of the horrible train accident in February. It's become like a memorial, and somebody's been out here keeping vigil ever since, which I think is just amazing. The Electra is almost finished its renovation, and it's now the Electra Rhythm. It does look like they're open to guests, though. It looks like the cafe part that they used to have over here is still closed. I am on my way down to Marks and Spencer's to try to find some summer pants. And I don't know, then we'll see what else I get up to. Other than that, I don't really have a plan at this moment. It depends on how long it takes me. It's almost 3 in the afternoon. I got lucky today, because sometimes when I go out looking for something I want specifically, I can't find it. I found 2 pairs of pants and a summer dress, and I forgot I need to go to the Hondo Center. My tweezers broke, and I need to replace them. We will walk down there, and it's not as busy as I thought it would be for a Saturday afternoon, and it's so nice out. It is humid, so when you go inside, you kind of start to sweat, because no one's really turned on their air conditioning yet. Okay, I got what I needed. There was like a section in the cosmetics area where it was super packed because everybody was looking at this one thing. It was crazy. I was gonna try to walk home, but I don't think I'm quite up to that yet. I mean, I feel fine, but let's not take our chances of making this work or last longer. So I'm gonna wait for the bus. Got myself a water. So just watch downtown Athens go by. Syntagma is its normal kind of busy self, and over in the square it looks like there's a stage set up for music for tonight. I think it's a concert in support of Palestine, but it's all in Greek and it's hard for me to read it. These are big words that I don't know yet. I decided to get €1 for a very late, early dinner. I don't know, late lunch, early dinner. It doesn't look very pretty because I smashed it, but it's good. And I'm sitting on my balcony since A, I feel better, and B, it's finally nice enough to sit out here because it was either too windy or it was too hot, because it has been too hot during the day. Like, I've tried to come out here and I'm like, nope, because the sun doesn't move on my apartment, like hitting my apartment until later in the day. So it can be a little bit too hot to sit out here when it's like noon. It's either early morning or, after like 5 o'clock. I came down to Melina Mercouri Square in Petra Lona. There's supposed to be a bazaar. I'm not sure if it's like supporting something or not, but I thought I'd look around. It's really crowded with people, so I don't know if I'll be able to film too much, but I had a little rest at home and I feel a little bit better now. So the bazaar is just Greek books, so I came into this bookstore across the street. They do have English books. I've never been here, but I've been past it. And there's this beautiful guy sitting here, sleeping here. Well, because the book fair was just in Greek, I decided I would walk home. Oh, and the black cat's name is Ernesto. I was like, that's not a very Greek name, but he's super sweet. He was just huge. I loved him. I gave him lots of pets and scratches. If I wasn't on antibiotics, I would have stayed and had a beer or a wine at one of the little places around the square, but not a good idea with the antibiotics, so just gonna enjoy being outside and take a leisurely walk home. Somebody got married, so they're driving through honking their horns. There were balloons on the first car and flowers, but I didn't have my camera out in time. Look at the beautiful jacaranda trees, and the petals are falling all around this square here. So pretty. Happy Sunday, everybody. It is busy down in Matriani. All the tourists are here. It's very overcast, and I keep feeling little sprinkles of water. It means it's been trying to rain all day. It is about 1:40. Oh yeah, it's definitely trying to rain now. You probably can't see it. I can't even see it. I can just feel more drops. But it's nice out, except for the sprinkles. It's not very warm, but it's very humid. During last week's live, somebody brought up Areopagus Hill, and I remembered I had seen an article that they were doing construction work. So I thought I would walk over there today and see what they're actually doing, and that'll give me a chance to see the other side Acropolis entrance and see how busy it is over there. This is the crazy line to get into the Acropolis. Oh, they've put the tent back up for the summer. I don't even know if this is the line for people who already have tickets or if it's the line for don't. I can't tell yet. I can't tell, but I'm glad I'm not going up there today. That's crazy. It's only May 24th. How? Anyway, so this is the entrance by the Acropolis Museum. So we're going to walk over to Areopagus Hill, which is the main entrance is over there. As I started to walk away, the line started to move. So I think they were waiting for the timed tickets like for the time to be open. So maybe it's not as bad as I think it is. So it looks like all of these people already have timed tickets, which is good. This is what you want to do. There's no line to get in over here. So I wonder if a lot of people are using the south entrance instead of this one. The ticket line isn't very long either. Of course, it is raining now, like really raining, not just spritzing like it was earlier, and I've got my umbrella out, so that could be it too. Who knows? No line over here. I mean, there are a few people waiting, but I think they're actually the people that are asking for tickets now, so if you're wondering, that's Areopagus Hill, and they definitely have it blocked off over here. Somebody said they were making it handicap accessible. I'm not sure how they would do that, but I'll take their word for it. They did put up new stairs, the handrails, that's nice. There's another building over here that's being built that I've not seen before that's behind that barrier, so it'll be interesting to see what comes of this. There are people up there. You can get to the hill from the other side. But you have to hike up there, so it's not quite as easy as it is from this side. And I have no idea when it'll finish, so I'll try to keep coming up here at some points in the summer to see what the status is. I forgot to look at the Acropolis Museum when I was walking by. It's pretty busy. There's a bit of a line, and it looks like it's busy inside. So maybe people are inside trying to escape this weather. It's not raining right now, but who knows when it'll start again. I am now down in Siri because a friend of mine got a job down here on the weekends, and so I'm just going to go by and see him for a little bit. And I haven't been down here in ages, so I thought it would be a good time to come down and see what's changed. Also much later in the day now, it's a little after 7, so we should get an idea of what it's like kind of in the evening down here. And I don't know how long I'll visit with my friend, but maybe when I leave it'll be dark and people will be out to eat and stuff, so we'll see what that's like. So my friend and I went out for drinks after his work finished. We're at a bar called Wanna Flirt, and I will say their Aperol is pretty good. So it's a nice way to spend the evening. We have come to Othanasis. We have started with a half a kilo of feta on a salad, and kebabs are coming. And we have a kitty friend. Psst, 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 psst. Ooh, look at that. Looks so good. But that's why we're splitting it, because it's huge. It has started to rain again for like the third time today. I'm down in Sigtagmo waiting for the bus. It's not raining a lot. It rained earlier when I got home, like a lot, so I hope you guys enjoyed this little glimpse of May. You kind of have to be prepared for whatever weather. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.